Welcome back to the Sati Consulting channel. We're going to take care of a video for you today. And in this video, we will talk about what is an instructional designer. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Also like and share. Sharing is caring, but definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us to grow. So let's get to it. So what is an instructional designer? Well, instructional designers, or IDs, are responsible for creating and developing learning experiences that are effective, engaging, and efficient. And they work with a variety of stakeholders, including learners, subject matter experts, and managers, to identify learning needs and also to create learning solutions that meet those needs. So what kind of work does an instructional designer do? Well, as a part of the ID's work, well, IDs use a variety of methods and tools to create learning experiences, such as the analysis or the analyze phase, where IDs analyze the learner's goals and needs, as well as the context in which the learning will take place. In the design phase that you see here, IDs create a plan for the learning experience, including content, activities, and assessments. During the development phase, IDs create the learning materials, such as content, activities, and assessments as well. In the implementation phase, the learning experience is delivered to the learners. And in the evaluation stage, IDs assess the effectiveness of the learning experience and make the necessary revisions. So that is the ADDIE model that instructional designers use. And to give some more information about what instructional designers do, well, IDs play an important role in the creation of effective, engaging, and efficient learning experiences. They use their knowledge and learning theory, instructional design, and technology to create learning experiences that meet the needs of their learners. On this slide, you see some specific duties that instructional designers may perform, and that includes conducting needs assessments to identify the learning needs of learners. They develop learning objectives that define what learners will be able to do after completing the learning experience. Also, select or develop learning content that is relevant, engaging, and accurate. Instructional designers design learning activities that provide opportunities for learners to practice and apply what they're learning. Also, IDs create assessments that measure learner progress and achievement. And also, IDs deliver learning experiences in a variety of formats, such as face-to-face, online, or even blended learning. So that's where IDs do some training the trainer, and also delivering those learning materials to those that will be teaching the content to others. And lastly, IDs evaluate the effectiveness of the learning experiences, and also in order to make those necessary revisions that we'll have from time to time. Instructional designer work settings. IDs typically work in a variety of settings, including corporate training. This is where IDs create programs for employees on a variety of topics, such as new software, safety procedures, and customer service. And in education, IDs create learning materials for students in K-12, higher education, and professional development too. In government, IDs will create training programs for government employees on a variety of topics, anywhere from compliance, safety, to customer service. And in our nonprofit sector, IDs will create learning materials for nonprofit organizations on topics that include maybe fundraising, volunteer management, program evaluation. And let's not forget that in all of these work settings, instructional designers may be responsible for creating onboarding training, offboarding training, and for new hires as well. ID's professionals typically have a variety of skills and abilities, including communication skills. Um, ID professionals must be able to communicate effectively with learners, subject matter experts, and other stakeholders. Problem-solving skills. ID professionals must be able to identify and solve problems related to learning and instruction. Creativity. You do have to be creative and just create some innovative and engaging learning experiences and activities. And technical skills. You have to have some technical skills because IDs use a variety of tools and technologies to create the learning experiences. So IDs really play an important role in the creation of effective, engaging, and efficient learning experiences. And if you're interested in a career in instructional design, there are a variety of resources that are available to help you get started. And that's really why we started this channel, to help you along the way and build on these skills that you will need as an ID. So be sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos about instructional design and how you can become an ID if that's what you wish to do. We'd love for you to be a subscriber and share this channel with your network. Sharing is caring. Also, go ahead and click the like button and that notification bell so that you get all the new content we have for you to help you on your instructional design journey. Leave us a comment in the comment section and let us know what you think of this video. And there's more to come for you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.